So we've got some chicken fried rice happening here today, but we're going with cumin, a few other little spices, turmeric like that. There's some fresh chili in there. I've also got some green peppers, onions, garlic and chickpeas. Delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so what we've got here is 3 cups of cooked basmati rice. Now I like to use cold rice. That was actually cooked yesterday. I find cold rice just cooks a little bit better when we're frying it than warm or hot rice. I've got 3 eggs. There I've got chicken breast. 1 chicken breast, no skin, no bone. I've cut that into fairly thin strips. I've got some chickpeas here that I'm using from a can. If you're going to use it from a can like I have, give them a nice wash in some water. A cup of onions, about a cup of bell peppers, some cilantro or coriander, a tablespoon of garlic, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 2 teaspoons of cumin and 2 of turmeric and some fresh chili. That's up to you how much you put in. Let's get moving. So you're going to need a wok pan, skillet or something like that. In there I've got sunflower oil I'm using. You could use a different oil if you want. About 3 tablespoons. I just dropped in a couple of teaspoons of the cumin seeds. Just a few seconds, let them do their thing. Then we're going to drop in the 1 chicken breast. As you can hear and see, the heat's quite high. So 1 decent sized chicken breast, no skin, no bone, and I've cut that into nice thin strips. I'm going to stir this around for 3 minutes. There you go. Next, 1 cup of onion. In that goes. And 1 tablespoon of garlic. I'm going to add some salt, some black pepper, and my fresh chili. I'm now going to go for another 3 minutes, stirring pretty much all of the time. Fabulous stuff. Okay, I'm going to now go with my chickpeas and my cup of bell peppers. I'm using bell peppers, but if you want, you can change that. Get some sweet corn in there. Get some eggplant in there, zucchini, some other vegetable, you know. To that, we're going to add a couple of teaspoons of cumin and turmeric. If you wanted, you could just stick some curry powder in here if you don't have the separate spices. 2 more minutes, again, keeping it moving all the time now. Really good, nice and easy this one. Okay, 3 cups of cooked rice. I'm using a basmati rice. And for 5 minutes now, we need to fry the rice. We really do want to fry it. If I get a little bit of browning or blackening on my rice, I'm actually really happy. Keep the heat really high and keep it moving. So that's beautiful. Now what I've done, as you can see, I've just pushed the rice to one side. We've got 3 eggs here that I've beaten. I'm going to drop them in the side there. And then I'm just going to cook away. Now, if you want, you could get a little bit of oyster sauce in there or a little bit of chili sauce into the egg and mix it. I'm going with just straight egg today. And we're going to cook this egg here until, you know, until you really kind of want it, really. I mean, I'm going to kind of get mine fairly well cooked. And then we're going to mix it in to the rice. Okay, beautiful. Let's get that mixed in. Cilantro, coriander, chopped. Off goes the heat. 1 more mix. That's beautiful. And there you have it, piping hot. Really beautifully easy, delicious, tasty. Hope you enjoyed that. I'll see you soon. Keep safe and keep well, everyone. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really, really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.